Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have OPPO Enco X3i headphones, and today I'm going to tell you how can you easily change ear tips. At first we have to take one earbud and now we have to unwing our ear tip, but we have to do this carefully. Like that, we have to do something like that with our ear tip. Now we just have to pull it to our side, but very carefully, so that we won't damage this. As you can see, now we've pulled off our ear tip without any damage, as you can see. Oopsies. Now, for example, we can take another one, which is the same, and we just have to do something like that with our ear tip again. Then we just have to pull this ear tip to our speaker very carefully. We can do the circular movement to correctly place it. As you can see, now we can move it, and now it works. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.